Are you willing to pay increased taxes to support the implementation of universal mental health care? Only if that was in addition to universal health care, that should be the obvious priority. Yes. Not a single doubt. I'd rather this than my taxes paying for a Reaper drone to accidentally blow up a hospital. Yes, although I wouldn't need to. The US already spends more per capita on healthcare than the other developed nations, and we collect about as much in taxes as they do. We just also turn around and enrich a series of middlemen ranging from insurance companies to shareholders of for-profit hospitals. I'm pretty libertarian at heart. I've always been of the philosophy that government should exist to do those things that need to be done but that can't be properly handled privately, that is, to alleviate the tragedy of the commons, if you will. I feel that healthcare falls into that basket now, even if it didn't when the term libertarian was coined. Yusu Naito. I want universal, single-payer healthcare that includes mental, dental, eye, and every other form of healthcare. Healthcare should be a service we decide to pay for collectively because we all use and need it. I'll pay more in taxes, and I'll not pay a dime in insurance premiums, co-pays, or deductibles. Yes. Please. Immediately. Forever. Asterisk edit. Asterisk asterisk and as always, rot in hell forever, Joe Lieberman, https://www.conmonwealthfund.org/publications/newsletter-article/senate-democrats-drop-public-option-word-liberal-how, you bought out cunt. How much extra in taxes, within reason? You raise my tax rate 1-2% and we somehow guarantee everyone can get free counseling in a timely way? I'm all for it. You raise my tax rate 10%, and I'm going to be suicidal because I can't afford food anymore, and I don't think counseling is going to help with that. Yeah. I'd like folks who can use it being able to access it quicker and easier. I'm not sure the numbers would work out, but I'd even wonder if early intervention in things like depression and addiction might end up saving money in the long term for the country as a whole, more people able to keep in employment and less likely to harm themselves. Yes, on the condition there is *effective government oversight on how, and how well, the funds are spent. No, I'm not willing to pay the level of tax I am now. I only pay it because I'm even less willing to go to jail. I would be willing to cut government spending on politicians' salaries to pay for it. Pay more money so the government can be in charge of even more stuff. No thanks. No. The money is there already. It's being spent on the military. I will say something unpopular. I would be willing to pay extra taxes for this if I knew it would be used properly, which I know won't ever happen. If taxes are increased for this, some years later it will be found out that it was stolen by politicians. They will be accused of this, other politicians will pardon them for political reasons, and in the end the only consequence will be that even more money was stolen from the people and given to some privileged group in society. So no, in the current circumstances I'm not willing to pay increased taxes for anything, as most of the taxes I pay are going to the wrong pockets, absolutely. If you seek mental health care, it's going to break your bank. Most insurance plans I've seen cover maybe 2 to 5 therapy sessions a year. WTF are you going to accomplish in that time? Everything after that is on you, so essentially, you don't get it. But we shouldn't stop with just universal mental health care. If we went to a single-payer, universal healthcare system, almost everyone would be paying less in taxes for their healthcare than what they currently pay for their health insurance, monthly premiums, co-pays, deductibles, and any other share of the cost they stick you with. Additionally, the quality of care in almost every developed nation with universal healthcare is better than the shit we get in the US. Yes. We already spend tax money to teach children how to read, write, do math, how to be athletic. We should also spend money to teach people who to regulate their emotions and understand their thoughts and motivations. It's been overlooked for so long and it's hugely important. No, we already pay more than any other country for healthcare. They should find existing money to use for this. I am assuming this is pertaining to the United States. We already pay more dollar per capita in taxes that go towards healthcare than do Brits, Canucks, Japanese, Germans or French. Then we idiotically add private premiums, deductibles and copays on top of that. A switch to a proper, single-payer system that includes universal mental health coverage could be accompanied by a lowering of the taxes paid for it. No, they can't take care of anything with our tax dollars as it is. Why would I give them more? We're spending 123% of our GDP. That'd be like giving a gambling addict more money when they've never won. Could we start with universal healthcare, period?